What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you Into the Deep for Legion. This one will need to kill 8 enemies while swimming in Ashika Island and 4 enemies while underwater in Mazrah. Easiest places to do this would be these canals here. By swimming in these, we'll enter the underground area and of course find tons of enemies to get. But obviously, one thing to note is that these definitely aren't weak enemies. None of the enemies on this island really are weak, so you'll need to be prepared regardless. Carrying in a sniper or something that's heavy hitting is probably going to help this mission quite a bit. I personally just have an AK, which should be good enough, but we'll have to see. You also don't need the enemy to be in water, it's just you. I don't think I've ever really seen AI in water in this game. Now, obviously there are some enemies here that I could have got from the water. There are tons of different areas that you could do things from. Obviously, just pick one and go for it. Diving in here, we should be able to locate some enemies, ping them, and then get them from the water. We can get most of the treading water kills here. It shouldn't be an issue. This took a while to do, but anyways, there we go. Now for the second half of this, kill 4 enemies while underwater in Mazrah. There's a few places that you can do this. One is Sarif Bay, the other is the Mawiza Marsh, and of course Zakwa Hydroelectric, maybe over here by the Satik Cave Complex. Regardless, there's a bunch of different places that we can do this. All in all, you just need a pistol and you're able to finish this mission, as this is the only gun you can shoot underwater. Now I'd recommend, if you can, taking in a deagle. That'll make life a lot easier, as you'll be a much heavier hitter while still being able to finish this mission relatively quickly. Also, do note that marking enemies will be your friend here, as it's very difficult to see while you're underwater. But anyways, there we go. We've now finished this mission. Even in this area here, it's not perfect, but the water is relatively clear for us to see out of. And that really is about it for this quick guide. I died, but that doesn't matter. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.